Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video or an image in Camtasia. So you know that Camtasia is a great software for creating online training video and especially software tutorial. I've been using this software for months and highly recommended this software for you. If you don't have Camtasia, just go to the link in the description to download the software. You have 30-day free trial. And if you want to purchase the software, don't forget to use my special discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, let's go. Alright, so now I'm inside I'm sorry, inside Filmora 10. No. Alright, so now I'm inside Camtasia and this is my working interface. So you see this is my my new project for my Vietnamese channel, and normally I will make a screen recording with my webcam and then I edit my video. So this is, for example, this is my my webcam video, and you can see on the right we have something here with my chair, because normally I have me sitting here and my child. Sometimes he's sitting, he wants to sit here playing games because we have a table and two computers here. So normally when I don't use the chair, I just put it at the corner. By the way, it reflects into the video. So now supposing that I want to crop to my body only, because there's too much space on the right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to select the media on the timeline, select the video or image that you want to crop on the timeline, and then you can press this button to crop the video. So this is a crop mode and this is an edit mode, and you can switch between edit mode and crop mode in Camtasia. And there's another shortcut that you can press Alt on your keyboard, and you're done. Now you can just select the edge of the video and drag it to the position that you want to crop, and you can also crop this from the corner here. Okay, so now you have a square box around your webcam. That is how you can crop your video, and you can do the same, not only the webcam video but also other video. Okay, and now if you release the Alt key on your keyboard, it will go to the edit mode, and now you can just scale it down and put it at a corner like a webcam video, like this. So it is very easy, right? Now we can play the video. Okay, and we can see just a square video. That is how to crop a video, and you can do the same for the image. For example, at this position I want to have an image on the screen here. Let's use my sample image, just a sample. Okay, we can drag and drop it to the preview window and put it here at the preview window, or we can put it on the timeline. Okay, and never mind. And now I want to have this side. Again, we want to crop to this side only. Okay, and again we select the image on the timeline and press Alt on our keyboard, and now we can adjust the crop area to this one, and I want to crop the microphone to this one. Very nice, right? And release the Alt key on our keyboard and then put it here, and now I can just scale it down to this side and put it at the center of the video. Nice, right? Okay, and that is how easily you can crop a video or an image in Camtasia. I hope this tutorial will help you make better video with Camtasia. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to try this software. Link is in the description below. Goodbye and see you again. Yeesh.